Infotech. This is
Good
Aisha Anmar.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So what we have done in the previous class?
User management as well
User
as how to
management.
install
It's
packages
how to
Yes,
delete
user.
user and install, download software,
through
how
internet
to
as
check
well as
on the internet, how to check whether URL download.
Yes, very good. So today we are going to start file and directory management. That is, we are going to create directories and files. So what are directories?
Directories are the folders
files.
in a Windows operating system. We tell as it as folders.
And Linux
In
we
the
will say directory.
directory, in this we have
Yes.
many files.
So this is my library. This is my Windows operating system. Here, these are called folders, right? In Linux, we call this as directories.
Direct.
This is the folders which I have created. Inside the folders, there are files. Similarly, in Linux, we call folders as directories, and inside the directories, we will be creating files. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see how to create directories. Open your account. To practice Linux, which service do I need to use?
EC2 service.
EC2.
Ma'am, excuse
Yes.
me. Once we terminate the instance, it will be deleted, ma'am.
Yes,
It's
it will
not
be
showing
deleted.
every time. Okay, ma'am.
Sorry.
Again, we need to create instance
Yes.
every time.
Yes. Yes. If you want to practice, again you need to launch the instance.
Okay, ma'am.
Or else you can either stop the instance.
No need of
Here,
terminating, just stopping.
yes, you can also stop the instance. Just select, go to instance type, stop the instance.
It will not
Then
charge, ma'am.
again, if you
Ma'am,
want,
it will not
it will,
charge if we stop.
no. See, for one instance, the volume will be 8 GB.
Okay.
There are two instances. Mine are two instances, right? Here you can see one is Linux and one is Docker. One is Linux and one is Docker, right?
Yeah.
For each instance, the volume we have selected volume is basically the hard disk.
5 GB.
Volume is hard disk. So it's
Okay.
8 GB.
Okay.
Okay.
Up to 20 or 30 GB is free. So 8 plus 8, 16. It will not charge. If I launch 4 to 5 servers, if I launched 5 servers,
Hmm.
and
It
what
will
is 8 into 5? 40,
40.
right?
40.
Then AWS will charge if we stop the instance. If we delete the instance, if we terminate the instance, a volume will also be deleted.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
Just we need to
up-
stop if we want to keep.
you can stop the instance like this way. Like Docker server, this Docker server is stopped now. If I want to start, select start,
Refresh and connect.
select start and connect. When it's in the running state, you can connect. see when it's in the
Ma'am, we
next
go
page.
through the same
Sorry?
steps of we go through the same steps of creating
Yes.
an instance, right?
Yes. Same steps.
Okay.
Again, if you want to stop the instance, go stop.
Not connecting.
Connect to Linux server. What is today's topic?
Docker.
No.
Oh,
Directories.
Yes,
directory,
files
sorry.
and directories.
Yeah.
So first we'll see how to create directory.
Hmm.
What is the command to create directory?
mkdir.
mk, yes, very good. mkdir, and you can give any name of the directory like Zomato. mkdir stands for make
Directory.
directory. mk is make, dir is directory. Make directory Zomato.
Zomato.
So there is no error. That means my directory is created by the name
Okay.
Zomato.
Hmm.
Let's check by the command ls. Can you see in blue color?
Yeah.
Yes. Zomato.
Zomato is created. Directories will be in blue color. Files will be in a normal white color. And compressed files will be in red color.
Okay.
So if I want to create a single directory,
Files in which color, ma'am?
files black color, white color. So if I want to create one single directory, I can create in this way, mkdir and the name of the directory. If I want to check whether the directory is created or not, then check by ls command.
Okay.
If I want to go into that directory, into the Zomato directory, like this is Windows, I have, for example, I have created this Almas Women's Training PPTs. This is a directory. If I want to go into the directory in Windows, what I need to do? I need to double click or right click, open, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
In
Yes.
Linux, what we need to do?
Just
We need to pass the command
the command.
cd and the name of the directory.
This
CD
is like,
stands for change directory. CD
isn't
stands
it,
for change directory.
ma'am, isn't it like DOS? When you first start learning DOS, they give you CD and they give you the MK to go into the directory?
You need to create the directory.
Yeah.
Yes. If directory is already created and you want to see what is inside the directory, then you need to type this
CD.
CD and
Okay.
the name of the directory. You will be into the Zomato directory. Can you see here? Zomato. This
Zama.
tilde, yes,
Okay.
tilde is home directory. Home directory of EC2 user. Default directory. Zomato is the directory which we created.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Mm.
We have learned 3 commands here. First, how to create directory, that is mkdir,
Okay, yeah.
the name of the directory. Then
Checking
to
the
check whether the directory is created or not,
list.
ls command. Then if you want to go inside the directory, then cd, the name of the directory. Now, if I want to come out of this Zomato directory, then what's the command? cd
Excel.
space 2 full stops.
Okay.
2 full stops.
Ma'am,
cd
what is this
space
Zomato, ma'am? This EC2 is home directory, and what is this Zomato?
Zomato is the directory which we created.
Yeah,
Is it clear?
clear, ma'am.
By default, we will be into EC2 user and home directory. Now we know to create users, right? Sudo user add and name of the user.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now
Ma'am, what you have
what you have written outside to go outside of the directory, cd dot cd the
CD space, two full stops.
two full
Ma'am, it's
stops.
just like DOS commands, no, ma'am. Make directory
Yes,
serial.
yes. There are two commands to come out of the current directory. One is cd dot dot. Again,
Zuma.
I'm into Zomato directory. The next command is cd space and tilt. Cd space tilt. Two commands to come out of the directory.
CD.
The difference between these two is cd dot dot will come out of existing directory. Like we will be opening 4 to 5 directories. If we want to come out of the existing directory, then we use cd dot dot. If we want to come directly to home directory, then we use cd tilt. Is it clear, everyone?
Where do we find that? Tilt
Yes.
one.
Tilt is beside in keyboard beside 1 below escape, shift and
Yes.
press start.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Now this is to create one directory, single directory. If I want to create multiple directories at once, then what is the command? Same command, mkdir. Let's say Amazon, and suggest some names.
Swiggy,
Flipkart.
Swiggy.
Meesho,
Flipkart. Yeah.
Swiggy.
Swiggy.
Okay, so if I want to create 3 directories, like 3 or 4 or multiple directories at once, so I can create by the single command mkdir space the name of the directory, space the name of the directory, and space the name of the directory. Now, if you want to check whether the directories are created or not, what is the command?
LS.
ls.
Yes.
Can you see here?
Yes.
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 Now,
Yes.
Swiggy spelling is wrong, right?
Yes. Swiggy.
Can
It should be.
I change the spelling of Swiggy?
There has to be a
Yes.
command for that.
By the command mv space, write the wrong spelling, Swiffy to Swiggy. I'm changing Swiffy to Swiggy. Enter. Now check by ls command. Can you see here?
Yeah.
Right. How did
Yes.
I
What?
change? By the command mv, the wrong spelling, press the correct. If I want to rename any of the directories or files, I can rename by this command mv space the current name space then the new name.
Is there any full form for MV, ma'am? I mean, is there anything to
mv stands for move.
move? Just move. Okay.
Yes, move. Is it clear, everyone, how to create directories, how to check whether the directories is created or not, how to go
So it's a
inside the directory?
question,
Now
ma'am.
if I want to
If
now if
my main folder, I mean, I want to rename it, I would use the same command, mv. Let's
yes,
say Amazon. I spelled the Amazon wrong.
okay. Now
Or
Amazon, if I want to rename Amazon by Amazon 12,
okay,
MV
what I need to
Amazon,
do?
MV
mv
Amazon,
Amazon,
then Amazon 12.
and then Amazon 12. Okay.
No,
now
that,
check by ls command. Can you see?
Okay.
that's
Yes.
This command is to rename the directory or file.
Okay.
this command.
Yes. Now if I want to go into the Meesho directory, what is the
CD
command?
Meesho. CD Meesho.
Yes. cd
CD.
Meesho. Change
Misho.
directory to Meesho. I'm into Meesho here. Yes?
Yes.
Now, if I want to come out of the Meesho,
CD, two dots.
CD dot
CD two
Space.
CD
dots
two dots.
or CD tilt.
tilt. Okay.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if I want to create subdirectories, like in one folder, I want to create multiple folders. In one directory, I want to create multiple directories. This is known as parent-child directories. See, mkdir hyphen p p stands for parent directory. Parent directory is software. For example, software. Inside the software, I'm creating subdirectories. That is, inside the software, name of some software is Java.
So I put a slash for that, right?
Yes, you need to put the slash.
So whenever I
Inside the
create
Java,
like subdirectories, there has to be a slash.
yes, there has to be a slash and p.
Okay.
Software is the parent directory, the master directory. Inside the master directory, I'm creating Java directory, the subdirectory. Inside Java, Python directory. Inside Python,
The lesson.
PHP directory.
Yeah.
Enter. There is no error. That means my directories are created.
Okay.
Now, how do I need to check?
ls.
ls. Okay, ls. Can you see here software directory?
Yes, ma'am.
Why can't I see Java, Python, and PHP?
Because
Because
these are
I'm
the
inside
software directories.
Subdirectories.
the
Yes,
subdirectories. Yeah.
yes, these are
Master directory.
subdirectories. If I want to check Java, Python, PHP is created or not, then what I need to do?
We should
I
move
need,
to software directory.
yes, very good.
CD
We
software.
should
GT
cd
software.
software. Now I need to check by ls
LS.
command. Enter. Can you see Java directory?
Yes.
Yes.
Uh,
Then where is Python and PHP?
in Java.
In
Yes.
Java.
Then what I need to do? cd,
Java.
CD Java. CD Java.
In Java.
enter. Now to check which
LS.
command?
LS.
Can you see Python? Then if I want
Then
to see
Python.
PHP directory,
CD
CD
Python.
Python.
cd. Can you see this? This is known as parent and child directories. In master directory and parent directory is software. Inside software, there is Java directory. Inside the Java directory, there is Python directory. Inside the Python, there is PHP. Now, I'll show you the difference between cd dot dot and cd tilt. If I type cd tilt, I will be directly going to home directory. But if I type cd dot dot, I will come out of existing directory. Existing directory is Python. If I
Okay.
type cd dot dot, then I will be into Java directory. Enter. I'll come out of the existing directory. Then again, I'm into Java directory. If I want to come out of Java directory, then I will be into software directory. If I type cd cd dot dot. Is it clear, everyone? Difference between cd dot dot and cd tilt?
CD
Yes,
till
ma'am.
it will
Ma'am,
go to parent,
can
ma'am.
you
Okay.
CD I would get from one directory to the other or one file to the other.
CD for EC2
Currently,
user ID, I think.
Okay.
ma'am, can you
currently,
explain
CD
it
for
once again
present working
the
directory, ma'am.
difference between
It
the
will come
tilt
out of
and dot
this.
dot?
okay.
And
So
till
the
is for
difference between tilt and dot dot is cd dot dot is the command to come out of existing directory, just from existing directory. Like we have gone into various different directories, right? From software, then to Java, then to Python, right?
Yes.
So if I want to come out from Python directory, the last directory was Python. So
Yeah.
if I want to come out of Python directory, then I will type cd dot dot. Then I will come out of Python directory and I'll be in Java directory. Because in sequence we have gone into directories, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So now if I type cd dot dot, I will be into which directory? Software directory.
Software.
Okay.
Yes.
Similarly, cd dot dot. Now I'm into home directory.
Home drive.
Now what's
Okay.
the difference between cd tilde and cd dot dot?
That one
Like
goes to
again, I'm
home.
going into software directory. I'm into software directory, then I'm going into Java directory. Then again I'm going into Python directory. If I type cd dot dot here, in which directory I will go?
Python.
Python.
Right?
No,
But
ma'am, Java,
directly
Java,
if
Java.
yes, Java. If directly I
Oh,
want to
you're
go
in
to home
Python, yeah.
directory.
Okay.
So what I need to type cd
Tilde.
tilde. Directly I will be in home directory.
CD
Is
tilde.
it clear?
CD tilde to come out of all the directories.
Yes.
Yeah.
Till to come out of the all the directories.
Goes to
Go to
home
home directory.
directory.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And cd dot dot just from existing directory. Is it clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Now can you all create? There are three types of directories to create. One is single directory, mkdir, and the name of the directory. Second one is mkdir, the parent child, mkdir hyphen p ///. And third is mkdir. If you want to create multiple directories, mkdir, the name of the directories with spaces. And if you want to switch to one directory to another directory, then cd, which stands for change directory, and the name of the
Then
directory. Yes. If I want to delete the directory, what's the command? Sudo rm -r. Let's say I want to delete software directory. So this is the command sudo rm -r software.
all
Let's
subdirectories
click
will also be deleted, ma'am.
So
Software
everything will
means
be
we have
deleted.
only one. If you want to delete only one directory, you can delete in this way: rm -r, and now let's say Amazon.
So all these
12.
subdirectories inside them will be deleted
Yes,
as well,
that
right?
will also be deleted.
Okay.
If you delete software, every directory will be deleted.
subdirectories also be deleted.
Will be deleted, yes. This you can see. If I want to delete one directory, single directory at once, then this is the command sudo rm -r and the name of the directory. But if I want to delete all the directories and files as well, then the command is sudo rm -r and star ls. Can you see all the directories are deleted?
If we want
Got it?
to delete only a subdirectory in our directory, how to?
If
Check
you
the
want to
name, right?
delete, you go into the directory and rm -r and delete the name of the directory which you want to delete.
Or
Okay.
else we can give, ma'am, like r sudo rm -r and the parent directories /
No,
subdirectory.
no, you cannot give like that. Just rm -r and the name of the directory which you want to delete.
First we need to go to the directory and
Yes,
then we need to
first you
remove.
need to go to that directory.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So is it clear, everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
Now you all need to create any 5 directories. Create 5 directories, parent, child, and multiple directories. Go into directory, come out of directory, delete directories. Send the screenshot in group.
Ma'am, give the names. Only number.
Name can be anything, ma'am. It should not be the existing one or.
You can give any name. Like you can give your name, your family names, anything. Because we are practicing here, right?
Okay, ma'am.
We create, ma'am, we create 5 directories you want?
Create 5 directories
Mm.
by the names, any online platforms,
Okay, ma'am.
Meesho, Flipkart, Amazon, Microsoft. Create these 5 directories.
Do we create subdirectories in the?
This is the plain directories. Create these directories first. Okay, create these 4 directories. And in parent child directory, first create Swiggy. Inside the Swiggy, create menu, then create payment, then create menu, payment, search. Okay, this should be the parent directory. This should be the child directories, subdirectories. Is it clear?
Clear, ma'am.
You should know how to go inside the directory, how to come out of the directory, everything.